Kolkata Mishti Doi. Thick doi 400 gram. Stir well. Make a smooth paste. Smooth like this. Mix condensed milk 400 gram. Add evaporated milk 400 gram. Mix well. Ready for microwave. Cover the doi mix. Microwave on 100 power for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, check if doi is set. It needs some more time to set. Adding time 1 minute 20 seconds. Finally, take out the doi. It has perfectly set. Keep in fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Take out from the fridge. Serve in bowl and enjoy.